Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Eclipse open, so start in the Package Explorer or Project Explorer. Select the project root where the new folder will live. Once selected, right-click the project or existing package to reveal the new menu. This is faster than creating external folders. Make sure you choose the correct folder type. A source folder is compiled, a regular folder is not. You need this distinction to keep builds predictable and avoid class path confusion later. Once you pick New Folder or New Source Folder, fill the name and check the parent location. This determines where Eclipse will place files. If you need an external directory, use Advanced and create a linked folder so Eclipse references the outside path without copying. This keeps Git and build settings consistent. Make sure package style names match the Java package structure. If creating a source folder, Eclipse updates the build path automatically. Otherwise, add it manually. After creating the folder, press F5 or right-click and refresh to ensure Eclipse shows the new entry and the actual file system reflects it. Then, if needed, select Project Clean and Build to incorporate source folders into compilation. If classes fail to compile, open Project Properties Java Build Path and confirm the folder is listed under Source. One key troubleshooting tip: if Eclipse still ignores the folder, remove and re-add it as a linked folder. This resolves path mismatches caused by workspace versus external directories.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.